What's Ekush, ma?
Ekush. Ekush is the birthday of a bird.
A bird. What's its name? Or what complexion is it?
Her name is Bangla Bhasha and she is radiant red.
Where does she dwell?
She resides in mine, in yours, and in everybody's heart.
Does she reside in my heart as well?
Yes, dear.
Ish. Doesn't that pain her? Doesn't she crave to take wings?
She does take to the air. Look, when I talk to you, she flies towards you. And when you talk to me, she flies towards me.
But where? Why can't I get sight of her?
Perceive your brain? Can you spot your brain?
No, ma. Is she like my breast, ma?
Exactly, dear.
Where does she reside in my heart?
Come, lend an ear to my heart. Can you make out anything?
Yes, ma. Tick, tick, tick.
This is where that bird resides.